Nest Wi-Fi Pro Router Lite White but no internet fix guide. First, unplug both the modem and Nest router for 30 seconds. Then, plug the modem back in and wait until it fully reconnects. Next, reconnect your Nest router. Check that Ethernet cable from the modem is securely plugged in into the one port or the Nest. If it's still offline, open the Google Home app, go to Wi-Fi, devices, router, network check, and follow prompts to test connectivity. If the test fails, change the DNS Google's to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 under Advanced Settings or Advanced Networking. Then reboot once more. This usually restores internet access. So that's it.